Let's know what are non-communicable diseases. Diseases that do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. Causes of non-communicable diseases. These are caused due to deficiency of some nutrients like vitamins and minerals, etc. in our diet, and are called deficiency diseases. Also, deficiency of carbohydrates. Deficiency of carbohydrates causes marasmus. Symptoms: low weight according to the age, thin legs, and child's growth is completely stopped. Sources of carbohydrates: rice, wheat, potato, maize, and honey. Deficiency of proteins. Deficiency of proteins causes kwashiorkor. Symptoms: stunned growth, dry and scaly skin, and swelling on legs and face. Sources of proteins: milk, meat, eggs, fish, cereals, and pulses. Deficiency of iron and iodine. Deficiency of iron causes anemia. Symptoms: pale skin, loss of appetite and weight. Sources: spinach, jaggery, meat, apple, raisins, etc. Loss of appetite means not willing to eat. Jaggery means gur and raisins means dry grapes. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter, swelling in the neck, as you can see in the picture. Sources: fish, prawns, and iodized salt. Deficiency of vitamins A, B, C, and D. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Symptoms: person cannot see in dim light. Sources: carrot, mango, tomato, papaya, etc. Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Symptoms: headache and weak nervous system. Sources: peas, beans, milk, pulses, and green vegetables. Deficiency of vitamin C and D. The deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Symptoms: bleeding gums, as you can see in the picture. Sources: amla, orange, tomato, grapes, and lemon. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Symptoms: weak bones. Sources: sunlight, cheese, curd, egg, etc. So, children, if you want to make your bones stronger, then have food rich in vitamin D. Non-communicable diseases are not just caused by the deficiency of nutrients, but they can cause also because of extra intake of fatty foods, which can lead to obesity. Some non-communicable diseases are hereditary, that is passed from the parent to the child at the birth. Obesity is the cause of many serious diseases like diabetes, heart disease,